What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Welcome back. I am back and I am healthy. I'm 100. Well, let's flip that up. I'm not 100%. I'm like 98% healthy and I feel great. That 2% still got a little bit of sore throat from the coughing from the past 2 weeks. But I am back and I am going to be coming hard with the videos. So today's video is going to talk about the newest update of the Titanium TV. This update is a pretty darn good one. This is actually the 20.011, I believe. And with this update, they fixed a couple bugs. I believe this also fixed the auto update. They actually add a feature that you can go into the menu and check for the update yourself if you want to. And also for Titanium, if you have an Android device that plays, your Android device has like a 4.1, like a really old Kit Kat version, like some Android boxes are. First of all, I'm sorry that you have one of those older boxes, but to be honest with you, upgrade it. That's my honest opinion. Upgrade to the newest ones. They're cheap. You could get one for $50, but if you still have that older model and you're rocking with it and it's working for you, hey, that's great. And this is one application you want to look into. All right. First, we're going to go into how it looks, how it, little stuff, and then I'm going to show you on the back end of how to get this. It's super easy to get. But anyways, Titanium TV, here we go. Okay. You click into it. Here's your change log. You're going to see they fixed the shows, the movie ratings. See how it says they fixed the 4.1 device and in this real time for the real time this time. For the real time. Basically, they fixed it. The download feature, I don't recommend downloading. I'm sorry, I really don't. There's no reason to. Just stream it. They fixed the auto update and they added a couple other things there. Okay, so we hit OK. I use MX Player. You can use the Echo EXO player. It's up to you, totally up to you. But also too, I use the VLC sometimes. But MX Player does justice. So and just that's formality. Just hit accept. Now. The setup, everybody probably pretty much knows, is the Titanium or Terrarium clone. It's pretty much one of the best out there. You don't get ads, okay? This is an official download. You don't get ads, okay? It's really cool. They are very good developers with this app that they believe streaming should be free, and here you go. There's no ads in this, just to tell you, let you know, okay? Now, when you start off, you're going to start off with your TV shows. Okay, you're gonna go up to this upside down triangle, and you have your selections here. Okay, and as you see, they pretty much are good selections. Okay, so we're gonna back out of that. Then I want to show you. You got your search button, your favorites button there. You see that, and your year button, and this is the button I was talking about that you can check for updates. See, get current version. You click it. And then what it's going to do is go to your browser, and if you have Amazon Silk but we're not, we're going to exit out of this. Okay. Yeah. And you can that's a manually update. That's if you have like a browser, like an Androidbox or something, or your phone. For Firesticks, the auto update is good. So when there is an update, it's just going to force you to update. Okay. So that button there is mainly for like Android boxes or phones that you can update yourself. You have the opportunity to do it yourself if you choose to, okay? And also it tells you the about Titanium. And like I said, if you have an Android box or phone, you could go to their actual website, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it is a really good website as well. So we go over here. You go to these three lines here. You have the TV shows, your movies, your favorites, calendar, downloads, and settings. Go into settings just real quick, just a brief about it. You see here you can change the language of your app. You could go into Spanish if you want to, if you understand Spanish better. I'll show you right now. See, you can go in Arabic, Dutch, all that. You can change your player, like I said, but I use the MX Player. And as you see, they give you pretty good choices here to mess with your settings and stuff. I really don't change nothing much here. Only thing I might change is let me see here, is probably the MX Player. Okay, and let me scroll all the way down here. Yep, there you go. You got the Discord group, translator, clear cache, clear cache, clear your cache probably like, it depends on how much you watch movies. Clear it once or twice a week. Or if you watch movies a lot on this, clear it once a day. Okay, and this is the change log. You can see what was done. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the main screen. So let's go all the way up. Okay, now for movies, go into the movie section, and here you go. You see how quick it is, and it responds pretty well. I like that. I'm not gonna actually play the movie. Don't want to go that down. I don't want to go down that route. So to tell you the truth, yeah, I don't want to get hit for anything on YouTube. They've been really strict on it. So I'm just going to show you the link, and that's about it. But anyways, yeah, just hit OK here. See how that's flashing blue, that big thing? That's just so you can watch right away. So you can click that or just hit the play button on your remote, which I just did now. I hit the play button on a remote. It just tells you about a little switching players if you get buffering, you know, a little tip. See how now it's flashing, but it has a white circle around it? That's to change players, okay? But we're not going to do that. So we just hit the back button. And as you see here, the links load up. You know, depending on your internet speed, a lot of the times it comes up faster, okay? So if you have quick internet speed, it loads up pretty quick, or it depends even on the movie. See right here? And then what you usually do is you click the link you want, you click that there, and you hit play. And then the movie should start up and, you know, it'll play, okay? If you want to play with subtitles, you can, and you can download the subtitles. Me, personally, I'd rather just play straight up the movie, okay? So let me back out of that. Now, I want to show you something, though. Now, let's say, you know, you're like, you know, I want to check this out with the wifey, you know what I mean? Or I want to check this out with my hubby. You see how you could go over to this right here, this star, it's empty. Click that. You see how it got full? Let me go over to here, okay? Now, I'm going to show you TV shows. Oh, and by the way, you go to there. You have in theater, new HD. Let's see if this works pretty good. Oh, there you go. Because I know sometimes they have issues when you go into the new HD. Okay, let's go into theater. There you go. That looks good. Let's go down. And the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. Now, you see how it says favorites? There goes the Star is Born. So we don't have to like look for it later. You know what I mean? Which I think is a pretty cool feature. Now, with TV shows, it's pretty much the same setup, people. You say you want to watch, big fan of the Big Bang Theory. So we're going to Big Bang Theory. You choose your season. Okay, let's say you want to watch the newest season, season 12, right? Hit OK for that, and you have your episodes, okay? You have your episodes here. You hit, let's say, episode 13, okay? From this point, you can hit the play button here, or you can hit the play button on your remote. Play button on your remote is a lot easier. Let it give it some time to load up all your links. Like I said, depending on the movie stream, sometimes it loads up a lot faster. Sometimes it does take some time. Okay, I know some people that you see that it loads up super quick there, which is pretty cool. I know some people rather have it like that. Some people does have patience and they rather wait. It is what it is. I'm getting it for free. I like it. So all right, let's say I want to watch this stream here. You click that. And then you just click play, and it plays your stream, okay? Now, the other cool thing is, let's say, for example, it was like, okay, this is one of my favorite shows, you know what I mean? See that star? Click it. And then we're going to back out. And then you're like, okay, well, now what? What's all that star clicking for? All right, you could go to the star here, click that, see that? You have your TV shows and your movies. Whatever you save, it'll be there. So you don't have to go through all that hot mess trying to find something. You know what I mean? Which I think is a pretty cool feature that Titanium actually worked on and works really well. And the biggest feature I like is this, that you have the manual update, which I like. And as you've seen, it's a pretty good app. Check it out, explore it. Let me know your feelings about it, if you like it or not, or what you think should be improved. Trust me and believe, these developers, they are on point with it, and they always take suggestions. So if you have any suggestion or anything, even questions, leave it comments down below. Okay, so let me back out of this real quick, and let me show you how you get this application. It's real simple to do. If you have FileLink, okay, if you don't know about FileLink, real quick, FileLink is a way to get apps that people could put their apps on, or not their apps, but pretty much apps that it makes it accessible for other people to get, and it's super easy to get. If you don't have FileLink on your Fire Stick, Android box, or even on your phone, is easy to do. The links are down below of how to get them, how to get it, how to use it, and how to set it up. Okay, so if you already have it, let's continue. So we're gonna go into it, and you're gonna be prompted to this screen where it's gonna have, oh, give it a second here because it just updated. You're gonna be prompted this screen that's gonna say enter your code or enter a code. You're gonna enter my code and my channel's code, which I have over 100 apps that it's free to download. I do not charge. If anybody tells you, hey, you gotta pay, no, they're full of BS. You don't have to pay. So the code for it is 645-39676. Continue. Hit that continue button, and there you go. It's just a welcome screen, you know what I mean? And here you go. Here's all the links. Okay, so the top ones I have to still organize, but as you see, oh, that's just a newsletter. Now we're gonna go all the way down to where it says titanium. Okay, give it a second here. And since I'm back with the put up movies, I'm gonna be more on point where updating my my file link store. I fell a little behind, but like I said, for the past 2 weeks I fell very ill. Now I'm actually back, so hey, I got you guys covered. Okay, so here goes to Titanium TV 2011. You're gonna see that download button. You're gonna click that. Let it download. Okay, once it downloads, and it does download pretty fast as you see here. Okay, boom. You see how it turned play button? Hit that play button, and then you're gonna hit the install. Once you hit that install button, it's gonna install to your device, and it's gonna say done or open, and you're pretty much done. Okay, so let me back out of this, back out of that. Hit yes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share, as well as check me out on Facebook, Telegram, or Twitter. I have all that information down below of how to get it, okay, and how to reach me out. If you have any questions, check it out. And also check out the videos about Limitless TV I have on my channel. It's a great IPTV. Pretty good. I like it. It did have a little hiccup past week, but hey, it's back and running again for like one day, and one day it was like a little goofy. I'm not gonna lie about it. I'm not gonna lie. Nothing's perfect, okay? But hey, Limitless TV been pretty damn good for me. So, and I know a lot of people have it, and it works really well for them. So, that being said, hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great day.